Welcome back to the channel. It's Chef Mark. Today, a little something different, an unboxing of a new countertop appliance. Well, it is a Gyro machine. See Chip back there, he's excited as well. My kitties are joining me for the unboxing of this Vevor Gyro machine. If you're not familiar with Vevor, it's a website that sells all kinds of commercial, semi-commercial cooking equipment, construction equipment. I ordered a big spit for roasting a lamb from them last year, and the quality was great. Works good, heavy duty, and the price was fantastic. So I'm hoping to get a similar experience with this Gyro machine. If you don't know, I'm of Greek heritage. My mother's from Greece, so grew up having gyros and roasted lamb for the holidays, and that's something that a tradition I'm trying to carry on with my own family. All right, let's open this up. I'm pretty excited because I got this a few days ago and haven't had a chance to open it, and you know what it's like when you got a new toy sitting there unopened. Okay. First thing I'll say, packaging is fantastic. You know, it's nicely encased in foam. The box is smaller than I was hoping. I'm a little afraid it might be a little on the small side. It claims that it'll hold a Gyro cone up to 13 pounds. And the problem is that the cones that I can get at my local restaurant supply store are 20 pounds. So I'm gonna try to stick a 20 pounder in this thing. All right. Making a mess. Making a mess. Okay. Yeah, it's a little on the small side compared to the size of the box for what I was hoping. This was $128 shipped, which I think is a fantastic price. Okay. There's a water tray up here to keep it from overheating. That's actually pretty clever because these do get hot. If you're not familiar with a Gyro machine, also known as a shawarma machine, also a machine that's very commonly used for pastor. Okay, quality looks good. Size is a little on the small side. So I'm already thinking that I might need to take my 20-pound Gyro cone and maybe just trim it down a little bit to fit. Let's take a look here. Of course, anytime I start filming at home, there's Roger. All of the creatures come out of the woodworks to see what Dad's up to. Okay. Great. So, drip tray. The spit itself. Okay, that just locks in like so. It's not height adjustable, nor is it adjustable fore and aft, which I would prefer. It's got an on-off switch. I believe, yes, this has an automatic rotation, which is a nice feature. Comes with propane gas line, instruction manual, we don't need that. And what I really liked about this was that it came with the Gyro kind of scoop. These are $30, $40 on their own on the Amazons. Just got to reverse this handle. This is high quality. This is a good piece. It's thick metal. It's a couple millimeters thick, like 4 millimeter thick stainless steel with a nice plastic handle and a lock nut. This is a high quality piece right here. I worked in a deli in Cleveland. It was actually my uncle's way back in the day, and we specialized in corned beef Reubens and Gyros. So meat shovel. What you do is as you're carving, you take the meat shovel, you hold, and then you carve. So a little on the small side, as I mentioned. What I might do is look for maybe 2 10-pound Gyro cones might be able to find those online and have those shipped to me for a party. I think 20 pounds would be more than sufficient. All right, so the good, high quality packaging, obviously showed up very nicely in one piece. The knobs have a satisfying click to them. Sounds like they have built-in igniters. The on-off switch, there's a rubber grommet to keep the dirt and the grease out. The water tray, I like that a lot to help cool it. It comes with some pieces here. I suppose you could roast a chicken or something on that. The shovel, very high quality. And then it comes with a gas line, which is important because if you don't have one of these, they can be expensive on their own. Little gas regulator, these can be $20 on their own. So quite a bit of value built in here. Hi, Chip. Hey, buddy. Oh, this is Chip. He's perfect in every way. And then the cord, 3-prong cord, and the cord seems to be of decent quality as well. Downsides, it's a little on the small side. I wish it were, I would rather spend a little bit more and have it be a touch taller. And then of course, it's not adjustable from the distance to the fire for the fireboards back here. Either the top or the bottom would be nice. Both would be ultimate because the Euro cone is shaped tall at the top, slender at the bottom, and the idea being that as it cooks and rotates, the fat drains down into this tray. Another potential downside I see is if this tray fills before the Euro is done, having to lift all this out to drain that could be a little complicated, but honestly, I don't think it holds enough product to make that happen. So next step, we'll be having a party later in the summer, so I'll have this fired up and I'll give it a shot. I think for the money, it is a great value. It doesn't take up too much space, and I'm looking forward to giving it a shot. Have you used any of the Vevor products yourself? And if you have, what's been your experience so far? This is my second Vevor product for cooking, and I think they're high quality for the price, so I'm pretty impressed. All right, stay tuned because we're going to be cooking on this next. All right, thanks for tuning in, and as always, make sure you click that subscribe button. I appreciate your support.